Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Caddy Business 2.0 TDI with 75B horsepower. This powerful yet fuel-efficient vehicle is equipped with top-of-the-line features to elevate your driving experience. From adjustable seats to USB 212V power outlets, this van is designed for comfort and convenience. The exterior features a tow bar preparation for added versatility, while the interior boasts convenient cup holders. Safety is paramount with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and emergency call functionality. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing this vehicle is in top condition. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to drive a reliable and sophisticated van. Contact us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style with the 2025 Volkswagen Caddy Business 2.0 TDI.